I would now like to invite the governing body members to please join us on the stage. I'd like to request our President, Dr. Harinder Singh Bedi, to please join us on the stage. I'd like to invite Chairman of Governing Council of VAI, Dr. Roy Varghese, to please join us on the stage. VP Dr. Deepak Selvaraj, Secretary Dr. Sanjay Desai, Treasurer Dr. Gulshanjeet Singh, and Dr. Rahul Jindal to please join us on the stage to take us through. I'd also like to invite Dr. Prabhu and Dr. Vimalan to please join us on the stage to take us through the final proceedings, tell us about various other entities that's lined up in this particular session, the prize distribution, and more. Over to Dr. Sanjay, Dr. Rao.
Thank you. Thank you, Reena, for taking us through. And I think you have to go and take a flight. Okay, fine. Thank you for taking the proceedings. And Roy, we are still missing. Okay, I think he will join up. Huh? Oh, okay, fine. So he has left. Fine. I think we have come to the end of the sessions, academic sessions. And it's now very interesting, to announce all the prizes. And I'm sure a lot of people are waiting for the same. So really, I'd like to announce, first of all, who are the doctors who won the Free Paper Award. We actually got a huge response. And we had a huge number of papers the doctor presented. It's difficult to choose who are the best. So, but still, the judges have marked, and we have got 5 prizes to be given for the free paper. So, really like to call Vimalan. Where is he? Vimalan, I know you are busy on the papers, but you guys and Prabhu has really done a lot of work, and really need an applause. And Vimalan, actually, you are the perfect person to give the awards for the Dr. Free Paper Awards. Okay, I'll announce the first prize and to the last prize. I'll start from the bottom. Is the third prize goes to Dr. Bhavna Girdani. Is she here? I think most of the people will be on virtual, so we'll see. We will send all the certificates and the prize money by the bank transfer. So Shivangi, if you can take a note of it and take all the bank accounts. The fourth prize goes to Dr. Srathi Rajkumar. Dr. Rajkumar? No. Okay. The next prize goes to Dr. Sanjeeva Rao. Dr. Rao? Oh, okay. Now that's a drawback of the hybrids, We never used to have. He was here, I don't know, but he is not here in the hall. Yeah, please, sir, if you can. Then we have Dr. Sohail Najib. He is from Egypt, so I think he is online. He was trying to get online. Congratulations, Dr. Najib, but he is still not here. And the first prize goes to Dr. Rutwitz Shah. Dr. Rutwitz Shah. Oh, you see, you are here. So he knew actually that he will get the prize. So that's why, that's... And you see, that's why he got the first prize, because he is dedicated. Please come. Oh, Sanjeev, just hold on. Dr. Bedi, please, if you can join, that will be nice. You can be there, Vimalan. You don't be on the side. That's why we called you up. Dr. Sanjeeva Rao, you are here. Please come. Dr. Vimalan, please do the honors. He's there. Let's have a lot of claps, guys. There are 50 people in the hall. These guys really putting in one publication or one paper and getting the award really requires a lot of hours of work. And it's not like they just sit down in the night and do the publication. Guys, please, whoever won the award, please try if you can publish it and write a paper. And we already got our Indian Journal of Surgery, Vascular Surgery. Put in a publication in that. That'll be very nice. Okay, now comes to a very, very important part. Servier Young Researcher Award. And we all wait for that every year. And thanks to Servier to sponsor that. Can I invite Dr. Poonam on the stage, please? Dr. Poonam, I can see you here. Please come. So just people who don't know, Servier sponsors 3 lakh rupees every year for Young Researcher Award. It should be, either the study which has already been done or a proposed study. Dr. Poonam, please. And, I will request Dr. H.S. Bedi and I will also request Dr. Prabhu to join in giving these awards. Dr. Prabhu, you have been very silently doing all the work behind without coming into the limelight, Okay, so what we do is we have 3 lakh rupees with us and we select the best 10 papers for presentations. And there were 6 juries who independently mark, and out of 10, we select 6 people. What we do is we give 50,000 rupees to each of the winners. So it's really very nice. Thank you, Servier. So we'll start from the 6th. So the 6th prize goes to Dr. Piyush Chaudhary. I think he's not here. He's on virtual. The next prize, 5th prize, goes to Vishwanath Atarya. Vishwanath? He's not here. Okay. The 4th prize goes to Navita Mitta. Dr. Mitta. Great. So she's here. Dr. Poonam, please, Dr. Bedi. Dr. Prabhu, please join. Don't stand behind. Congratulations, Guys, this is just a certificate. There is no hidden money inside. Don't open it up because we are going to send you the money by, via transfer. Because we don't do any cash transactions in VI now, so everything will be online. So the 3rd prize goes to Dr. Samuel Prabhu Mitra. Great. Please use this money wisely to do more research. And the 2nd prize goes to Dr. Hanish Kataria. Welcome, Dr. Hanish. And the 1st prize goes to Dr. Ankush Sharma. Dr. Ankush Sharma, is he here? You can collect, sir? Please come. Please come, please come. Dr. Khanna will collect on his behalf. So thank you for taking the certificate back to him. And please tell him Shivangi will contact him and send across the gifts. So that's why we got the 1st prize. Now we know. Congratulations, sir. Please have a seat. Oh, you're going? Okay. Thank you, Dr. Poonam. Thank you. Thank you, Servier, for sponsoring the research, because that's the best thing we can do, you know. Okay, guys, now we move to the next. I'd like to invite Dr. Jayan Das on the podium. He's going to let us know what we are going to have in Vicon 2023. Slides, please.
Yeah. Everybody is tired. A very good afternoon to all the delegates, speakers, chairpersons, and the industry partners. Today we are in the 15th Vicon in Mahabalipuram. 16th Vicon we are organizing in the city of Joy, Kolkata. Let me brief you a little bit about what Kolkata actually is. In an inauguration session, we all stood up to celebrate and to show our honor for the national anthem. It is written by none other than great Rabindranath Tagore. It is the city of culture, heritage, and rich history with 5 Nobel laureates. Yes, in present scenario, Kolkata is not in that big map of India, but it's recovering very soon. Political will force, at the same time, the erudite society of Kolkata is coming back in a big way. I hope all of you will be able to enjoy the sessions in Vicon 2023. So it is actually a knowledge sharing platform. Yes, the main issue to organize a conference in scientific arena to share the knowledge, views, and to uplift with our all colleagues and share every details. So we will going to have a lot of lectures, newer sessions, workshops for juniors in a usual way. At the same time, there will be some specific suspense. I am not going to disclose this at this moment. I will invite you, and I am inviting you on behalf of Venus Association of India, please come and join to Kolkata Vicon 2023. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Jain. We are absolutely sure it will be fantastic. And now I really like to invite Dr. H.S. Bedi, current president of VAI. Dr. Bedi, please.
On behalf of the Governing Council of the VAI, I am extremely thankful to the team from CMC Vellore, led by Dr. Deepak Selvaraj, and with his team comprising Vimaleen and Prabhu and so many others, including the nurses. So we were a party to the nurses forming their own Vascular Nursing Association, which is the first in India. So that's, and they were encouraged basically by Deepak and team. So that is a great achievement. As far as the conference goes, this conference has really, there were a lot of skeptics, I must say, Deepak, and you have proved all of them wrong. And especially not because of the academic content, the problem was regarding the pandemic, the changing of the dates. And I can see that you have got some gray hair now. So you're looking more professorial because of the, I'm sure it was a tense area, but you have, gone above what we expected from you. So thank you very much. Also, I would like to announce here that the baton of presidentship of the Vicon has been passed on to the most worthy person today, who is, anybody can guess who it is, that is Dr. Deepak Selvaraj. So 3 cheers. So congratulations, Deepak, and I propose 3 cheers for CMC team. Hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, and thank you, CMC, and congratulations, Deepak. So now I'd like to invite the most dynamic guitar guy on the stage, Bimlin. Deepak, please. Yeah, Bimlin, before you start, Deepak, wait.
Just want to tell everybody here, all the delegates, faculty and the industry, that all the work for this conference was done by Dr. Prabhu and Dr. Vimalan. And I just stood there. And credit for this conference has to go to these two gentlemen who actually, right from the scientific committee to organizing all the venues and bringing people in, coordinating with the industry, everything was done by them. And this conference was a big success because of these two gentlemen. I'd like you all to give them a big hand.
So I have been given the unenviable job of doing the vote of thanks. There is liability to mistakes, and I apologize for that all the same. When I started making the list, I started with a blank sheet of paper, and now I've reached something like this. So to start off, I'd like to thank God for giving us, all of us, everybody here, the organizing team, the delegates, the industry, the event management team, the good health that we are here today. Looking back, it's really a blessing that we are sitting in this hall today. Given the last 2 years, we were able to have a good time. It's because of the grace of God. Second, I would start by thanking the governing body of VAI. I've always believed that VAI has a special character, and that character is a large heart. And I'm sure all of you will agree with me in that matter because of his inclusiveness. And I still remember the first meeting we had in Bangalore over a cup of coffee when we were discussing the conferences and its nuances. Dr. Decky was also there at that time. And I would really thank the governing body VIA for giving us this opportunity to conduct this conference. Secondly, I would like to thank my team, led by Dr. Deepak and Dr. Prabhu. The scientific data that you saw, all the scientific data that you saw today, everything planned down to the minutest detail. If you notice, there was not a single session that went beyond the time. Everything ran to clockwork. All thanks to Dr. Prabhu, who exercised his iron fist and made sure that everybody was whipped into shape. The other group that I'd like to thank is the nursing team. The nursing team put in a lot of effort. We had a nursing CME. They took over certain parts of the conference, like the oration. We're all men. We don't have the grace or the niceness to, conduct an oration properly. They added that touch that was needed to make sure the oration was well remembered. Dr. Decky and Dr. Pinjala, thank you so much for taking part in this conference. You guys are a treasure to VAI, and every conversation that we have with you is memorable for us. We always learn something. Dr. Indra Agarwal and family, ma'am, thank you so much for taking the time to come out here and being a part of our family. Dr. Sunil is in our heart every day, and what he taught us is what we practice. In fact, a few people at this conference have told me that they see Dr. Sunil's large-heartedness in everything that we did in organizing this conference. So this conference would be totally not possible if it wasn't for our sponsors. So just spare me half a minute and I will read out a list of sponsors for us. You've already been to them and met them, and they're all part of our extended family. The way we work with them is they're our friends, and we don't look at them as people who supply stuff to us. I'd like to thank Servier, Novamed, Sigvaris, Dynamic, Medifocus, Ethicon, Amaryllis, Medtronic, Bet Medical, Cook, SAT, Gesco, Sanofi, Abbott, BD, Biolytic, Penumbra, CVT, DMP, Bollinger, Cooper, Merrill, Ansel, Xaralto, Medica Bazaar, Venostock, Bayer, Pharma Products, Smith & Nephew.